In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Medium feed widget into your Wix website. This guide is perfect for those wanting to display their latest Medium posts directly on their site, ensuring visitors stay updated with content without needing to leave your page. Let's dive in and make your website more engaging. We'll start by heading over to a widget service. One popular option you might consider is Sociable Kit, or if you'd like, Elfsight can do the job as well. Both these platforms allow you to create a Medium feed widget for free upon signing up. Once you've registered, navigate through the platform and look for the option to create a Medium feed widget. It's typically straightforward and should be clearly labeled. With your new widget ready to go, it's time to add a touch of personal flair. Customization is key to ensuring your widget seamlessly blends into your existing website design. Take the time to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. You want it to reflect your site's unique style while still being functional. This is your opportunity to make the widget feel like a natural extension of your website rather than an add-on. Once you're happy with how your widget looks, it's time to retrieve the embed code. The service you signed up for will provide this code. All you need to do is locate it, usually under a Get Code or Embed button, and copy it to your clipboard. This code is what we'll use to embed your Medium feed onto your Wix site. Now let's switch gears and focus on Wix. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the specific page where you'd like to showcase the Medium feed. With Wix's intuitive interface, this should be quite straightforward. Once you're on the right page, look towards the left side menu bar and click on the Add button. This brings up a variety of options. You'll want to scroll down to the Embed Code section. Once there, select Embed HTML. Now, it's time to paste the code you previously copied from the widget service. Click into the provided box and paste the code. When you hit Update, a preview should appear, providing you with a glimpse of how the widget will look once live. Take a moment to ensure everything displays correctly. The final steps involve a bit of fine-tuning. Adjust the size and position of the embed box to ensure it fits well within the layout of your page. Make sure it doesn't overlap with other elements or throw off the balance of your site's design. Once you're satisfied with its placement, don't forget to hit Save. Finally, publish your site changes. When you refresh your live site, your Medium feed should display beautifully, engaging your visitors with the latest content. By following these steps, you've effectively enhanced your site, making it more dynamic and informative. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the new feature of your website.